Hi and welcome to another video by Jimthecarguy. Today we have a fairly easy job. The problem we have is that this 2008 Honda CRV, when you open up the rear trunk area, you open it up and it comes slamming back down. Let me just show you what it does, and I'm going to show you how to correct it. You open it up, and when you open it, it just comes right back down. So what you're going to need to complete this job is, one, you're going to need a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. If you're doing the job by yourself and you have no helpers, get yourself 2 pairs of vice grips. And then of course, you're going to need the replacement strong arms that we're going to change in the back. Strong arms are basically just like very long shock absorbers. They actually push the trunk lid up and keep it up. And when you pull it down, it gives you the resistance that is actually pushing it back up. So let me show you how to do this. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our vice grips. We're going to lift up the trunk, and then we're going to grip the push rod portion in this part of the vice grips right here to hold it up. Okay, so now the trunk lid is held up. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our flathead screwdriver. We're going to take our new strong arms. Now remember the way that you take them off. You can see that this strong arm here, the shaft is facing down, so we're going to put them back in the exact same way. In this particular case, there is no left and right side. They're both the same. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over on the car here, and we're going to take this little cap, this little wire lock pin off here. So let me show you how that's done. You come underneath here with a screwdriver like this, and you come right up underneath the bottom right here, and then you just pull that little clip up. You can pull the strong arm off like that. Now that's why you have vice grips on here, to keep it from coming slamming down on top of your head if you don't have somebody to hold it up. And we'll do the same thing right here. Pry it out, just like that. And then this will come off too, just like this. The replacements, we just take them and we push them in place. Just like this. We rotate this so you can see it's facing the wrong direction. Turn it like this. On here. And now if it doesn't line up, you lift up on the trunk just a little bit. And now that's locked in place. So this one is now trash. You can see how it's rotted out right inside here, and it just started leaking the fluid right through it. We're going to take our second strong arm, and it's the exact same thing. Now this we're going to be a little careful with. We're going to hold this up because we don't want to put vice grips on this part of our brand new strong arm, because if you put vice grips on it, you're going to damage the shaft and it's going to prematurely wear out. So we're just going to hold it up with one hand while we take those clips off. Again, remember you're putting it on with the extension part facing down. We're going to put it on, snap it in. We're going to rotate this so it lines up with that. Now in this particular case, it will not rotate. It's very tight. So the way you would actually turn it is just go in here with a screwdriver like this, and you can rotate it as needed. And you can turn the shaft to line it up. And that's it. The hood, the strong arms are done, and as you can see, they work just the way they're supposed to. So now we'll close it down. And when you get here, it should open up and stay just like that. So that's it, fairly easy job. You need 2 pairs of vice grips or a helper, 1 flathead screwdriver, and then they just pop right off. And remember, if you can't get that piece to snap back on, the lower portion, then you just lift the trunk lid up just a little bit, and that's it, you're all done. All right, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.